Okay, so guys, there was a windstorm at my house, at my neighborhood. Well, was a windstorm. It's gone down now, but it's just raining. Look, it's just raining. Oh, I got water in my mouth. The rain. But yeah, it's not really windy anymore. But there was a little wind, and it just kicked off. Oh, okay, it's back. It's freaking back. But yeah, windstorm. So yeah, okay, bye and.